Are you just a giant can opener to your cat? Let's find out. To a cat, humans are those big, clumsy creatures that magically provide food. Think of yourself as a very important butler in a fancy suit. Your cat sees you as a curious mix of a parent, a giant cat, and a walking food dispenser. They might rub against you, follow you around, or stare at you with those big eyes. That's cat speak for I tolerate you, human. But don't be fooled. Those slow blinks? That's kitty code for I love you. Your cat might not greet you at the door wagging its tail like a dog, but trust me, they've got their own ways of showing affection. Like when they bring you a gift. Sure, it's a dead mouse, but it's the thought that counts, right? So next time you're wondering what's going on in your cat's mind, remember, to them, you're the biggest, warmest, and most interesting part of their world, and that's pretty pawsome.